air and he broke through the roof. After a while he came down again, and that's about the time when he found his friend. It was Jay Sri Ram and his brother Lakshman. They said, what's up, G? He said, what's going on? The one could tell something was bothering Jay, and that's about the time when he heard him say,
Mr. Funky Man, something's going wrong. We got set up and now my wife is gone.
She got kidnapped by the tyrant Ravana, who dragged her over to the
Esse filme
island.
Mudando o Mundo é um guia prático, sustentável, que meu amigo vai distribuir para vocês agora, para que vocês possam folhear e conhecer. Ele é um manual prático que explica da árvore até o açúcar, o que vocês têm a ver com isso. Quando a gente consome açúcar, por exemplo, açúcar branco refinado faz muito mal para o nosso organismo, mas a indústria de verdade ela não vai contar isso pra gente, ela quer que nós consumamos.
Mas o que a senhora gostou que tem na revista?
É como eu faço muita coisa dos italianos, me interessou as berinjelas recheadas.
Olha, aqui tem um endereço do templo, se você quiser conhecer lá.
Tá bom, obrigada.
To the palace, move real silent. Turned the corner, then he saw the tyrant. There sat Ravana sleeping on his throne, surrounded by women and a bunch of gold. But he didn't see Sita, so he crept like a cat. On his mission to find where she was at, he jumped into a tree and looked in the garden, and that's when he saw her sitting sad and disheartened.